Hello, everyone, and thank you for registering for the 2 days Miracle Fertility Workshop. This is one personal message from my side if you are the one who is going to attend the workshop today. Now, before you register for the workshop, there was a lot of information given to you on my page, on my website about what are you going to learn in this workshop. But I want to just recollect those things once again through this video. So listen to this video very carefully because there are some important things that you need to be heard. Now, first and foremost thing, this workshop isn't any other course or a program or a webinar that you're coming. This workshop is going to blow out your mind with some amazing education. Yes, you heard me right, education, because something that you learn can definitely change your life other than just taking tips and tricks by others or knowing how to conceive or how to keep your body healthy. Before that, you should know the real science, what is happening in your body, isn't it? You would be definitely getting a lot of knowledge on YouTube, on Google, if you search for something. But everything out there in this world is just so much and so confusing. What is good for you and what is right for you? We are definitely not able to choose it. Now, I know that there is a lot of emotional baggage that you're carrying around you, your shoulders, your partner's shoulders right now, only to conceive a child. So, do you think this is a happy journey while you're trying to conceive a child in this workshop? It is not only about giving you educational tip, but also telling you how emotionally, spiritually, and physically well prepared your mind, body, and your soul, your energy should be. So, anywhere if the second thought is coming about missing this workshop, think once again. Once in a lifetime, you got a chance which you choose to change your own fertility health. You could be missing that one chance that would change your life, your partner's life, and also the impact on the timing, on the health, on the energy, on the soul pattern of your future baby. And if there is something stopping you still now, that's not you. That's your devil brain. That's your fear that is catching you and wanting you to keep stuck into this unstoppable cycle of fertility trap. So you decide for yourself. You have already registered and you are here to take the charge right now. So be in that power, be in that state of coming, attending with your partner, because conceiving isn't the part of only you. You have to be together to have a baby, isn't it? So there's a lot of things that we are going to explore, something that this Google world or even your doctors are skipping to tell you. Also, there are some important points that you need to hear. First, connect with your laptop and not with your mobile phones. Please stay in a place where you both can give yourself a little more privacy as well as importance to your own fertility health. Do not drive and listen to this workshop because I'm telling you, if you drive and listen to this workshop, you'll have to stop your car somewhere and listen to me because I am hell interactive. And this is not a kind of game or a quick fix. You are going to learn a lot of things about your body. So be ready with a notepad and a pen. And last but not the least, please be with your partner. Once again, please be together. Your baby needs both of you. So see that you are together. And I hope my message is pretty clear to both of you. Thank you. Stay blessed. See you live. Bye-bye. Take care.